What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz, and if you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? I am doing a vlog today. I have some couple errands that I have to do, so I just wanted to bring you guys along. So yeah, that's gonna be what we are gonna do today. I actually wanted to update you guys as well. So I've been using this Fairy Tales Tangled Tamer. This is the static-free detangling spray. This is amazing. Like, whoa. This seriously detangles my hair. It smells really, really good. And I didn't even notice in here, it has, let's see, what is it? It's gluten, soy, dairy, and nut-free. And then it has the keratin, provitamins, and jojoba in it. So it detangles and smooths. And honestly, I've been loving this. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly update you guys that I've been loving this. It is amazing. It smells really good too. And my hair gets super tangly, like I always say, so I'm loving it. So I actually am going to do a quick makeup look. Very simple. I'm literally going to probably just do a wing and call it a day. I'm not really in the mood to do makeup. Plus I have to wear my mask, so I'm not going to wear like full-on makeup anyways. So let's get right to it. Alright, so like I said, I'm just going to do a quick, simple look. I'm going to put some moisturizer on. Once again, this is the Saturday Skin. Alright, and then I'm going to put my eyebrows on using my handy dandy ColourPop. So all done. All right, so I am gonna do a wing today, but I think I'm just gonna throw this on. This is the Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek Highlighter. This is from ColourPop. Like I said, it is actually a highlighter, but sometimes when I just want to be like one and done, I just throw it on my lid and call it a day. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Like I said, I literally just tap it on. Super simple. Sometimes I put something in the crease just to kind of like blend it all together, but literally that's it. Okay, so you see that literally took me 0.2 seconds. And then I am going to use my Marc Jacobs. You can use any type of bronzer. It doesn't need to be this high-end one. Get a fluffy brush. Sometimes I do the crease first. Sometimes when it's super simple like this, I kind of just brush it over. I'm not going to even put full on foundation today. Really want to keep it simple. I'm going to use some primer. So here's the e.l.f. one. Really simple. I don't even know if I want to do a wing. I know I said I was going to do a wing, but I'm kind of lazy today. And I kind of just want to get out the door. I'm gonna use some concealer. I actually want to try this. This is new, well, new to me. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This is supposed to be amazing. I do have two shades. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think this is the lighter one. Let me see. Yep, this is Golden Natural. This is, which one is this one? Warm Nude. So I think, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one because I think that one was a little too dark. So it does have the big dofa, like the Shape Tape. So I'm just gonna put some there, put some here, and oh, okay. I like. Cover up with some powder. This is the Fenty powder. I'm gonna put some setting spray and then put some mascara on. And I'm gonna use the It Lash Blowout Mascara. This is by It Cosmetics. I have been using this lately. It's pretty nice. I mean, I feel like nothing really like makes my eyelashes stay. So I ain't worried about it today, like I said. Just wanted a little something something so I don't look like I'm dead. Okay. I put that on and I think I'm gonna throw a little bit of liner. Just a little, like, that's it. All right, so I did finish my makeup. I know it looks crazy because of the line, but I'm gonna take my makeup off anyways when I get home because it's gonna be super hot today and not really feeling makeup today, so obviously. But let me get my things together and then I am out the door. It is so nice outside. It's really actually kind of hot. I'm wearing leggings right now. I have to get all of my like summer clothes down from downstairs. Look, there's my little granny and the two babies. How cute. But I am gonna run to the store and get a coffee too. I think I'm kind of like craving one. So I will catch you guys in the car. All right, so I think I'm gonna go to Shoe Carnival first. I really need to buy some flats for work because I actually hurt my ankle back in January and I don't think I'm really ready for like big wedgies, or maybe like a small one but not like super big wedgies. So I want to buy some flats for work because it's starting to get too hot out and I can't wear my boots anymore. And then I do have to go to the grocery store and get some chicken, and I want to get a coffee. So that is the game plan. And then when I come home today, I actually want to get all of my summer clothes out from downstairs. So yeah, let's go. Start. Right, got my mask on. I just got to Shoe Carnival. I need to check out to see if they got some flats, so wish me luck. I left Shoe Carnival. I actually got 2 pairs of flats and it's buy one get one half off. So I only paid like 30 bucks for both of them. And I still want to get more. I just got a black pair and like an ivory pair. So I will definitely show you guys later once I get home. But right now I'm actually at Sip, which is out here in Highland. It is like a small business coffee shop, which Tanya, like ever since she introduced me, I'm obsessed now. And I really have a taste for it. I want to try one of their frappes, you know, like the frozen type ones. I don't know, I just really have a taste for one. And it's really freaking hot right now. And I don't know why I wore this little sweater thing, but plus the mask doesn't help. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my drink and be right back. All right, so I did get the turtle frappe. It has chocolate, it has caramel in it, and I think it has something else too, but it's a frappe. I tried the turtle latte, like the ice latte, and it was amazing. I love me some chocolate and a caramel, so I wanted to try the frappe because it's hot as hell outside. So let me see how it tastes. Oh my god, it tastes amazing. Oh yeah, this is amazing. Now that I got my drink, sorry this is like in the way, but I need to go to Strax and get some chicken and figure out what we're gonna eat tonight. I feel like there's somebody gonna like walk up, but yeah, so I need to go figure out what I'm gonna make. It's my turn to cook tonight, plus we need chicken anyways. So yeah, Strax, here we go. All right, so I am home and just unpacking everything, but I'm super excited. So me, Sonia, and Jessica went to Round Barn, which is in Michigan, and they sell like wines and things like that. And you can buy like the wine bottle that they sell out here, but you weren't able to buy these before, which we were kind of bummed because these are what we like the most. And now they have them at Strax. Like, I mean, I still want to go to the winery to like have fun, but now we have them out here, and these are literally like the best tasting ever, and they're so good. I literally bought a bunch. They were kind of expensive. They were like $3.99 a piece, but honestly, they are so damn worth it. These two I got for Jess because she's out in Chicago, so I don't know. Do they have Strax in Chicago? I'm not sure. But I got her those two, and then I got these for me, and then I got one of the peach one because I want to try that. I really actually might open one today. Probably try this one and then have my grandma drink the other one. So I just wanted to give those a quick shout out. These are amazing. Once again, I did find these at Strax, and they did have other flavors too. The sangria is just my favorite, and then I wanted to try this one, but I'll probably eventually try all of them. But yeah, just wanted to quick shout out. So I'm home. Like I said, don't mind my bed. I didn't do it this morning, but I got my shoes from Shoe Carnival. Like I said, I got 2 pairs of flats. This one, this one. That's the paper. So the first one is Jelly Pop Shoes, Los Angeles, California. I am in a size 7. And I got these cute little things. I really wanted them in black, but they didn't have my size. I might have to look online. But I thought these were super cute, definitely summery. And these were originally like $30, $40, and they were on sale for $20. And then this second pair is No Parking, Keep Moving Forward. I guess that's the brand name. And I just got some plain black ones. You know, these are kind of like the ballerina shoes or whatever, but these are super cute. Once again, I am a size 7. I have pretty small feet. So I did get those, and I got these. And so like I said, they were originally like 30 or 40 a piece, same as these, but they both were on sale for 20 and 20. And then they even had buy one, get one half off. So I only paid $30. Oh my gosh, it's the babies. It's the babies. They just barge in my room like they own the place. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Okay. Okay. Hey. Hey. All right. Okay. Oh my. Breaking a sweat. Can you see? I am glistening. But got those 2 packed, and then I still have all of these, and I have some in there too. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try to get another thingy-mabob. But I'm gonna take those downstairs and be right back. All right, got those. All right, I'm gonna take these downstairs. I'm so damn tired. All right, so I did finish up everything. I'm actually gonna just chill and relax. Probably just gonna hang out with my grandma, and that's it. fold my clothes and wash the rest of them that I got to. But I'm just gonna relax. I have to work tomorrow, so yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for sticking around. Please be sure to subscribe and also ring that notification bell. You get to follow me on all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, IG. It is all the Jams 2535. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.